People are calling castor oil nature's Botox. But is it really powerful enough to lift, tighten, and soften the look of fine lines? Or is it just another beauty myth? In today's video, we uncover the truth: what castor oil does to your skin, how it compares to Botox, and what science actually says about this age-old oil. Tap like, hit subscribe, and join us here at Repair Our Health for natural beauty with real results. So, is castor oil the real deal, or just another overhyped beauty hack? We're diving into the science, the stories, and even a little experiment. No nonsense, just facts. Castor oil is pressed from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, and while the name might sound intimidating, rest assured the oil is non-toxic when used on skin. In fact, it contains over 90% ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid praised for its anti-inflammatory and skin conditioning power. The phrase nature's Botox is catchy, but what does it really mean? Botox works by temporarily paralyzing facial muscles to smooth out wrinkles. Castor oil, on the other hand, doesn't freeze muscles. It's a rich, hydrating oil that plumps the skin and supports collagen, creating a similar smoothing effect over time, but in a much gentler, natural way. Castor oil isn't just a basic oil. It's packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known to calm inflammation and soothe puffy, irritated skin. Think of antioxidants as tiny bodyguards that fight off free radicals, those skin-aging villains. Studies show that ricinoleic acid can improve the skin's barrier function, boost hydration, and reduce inflammation. 3 essential steps in softening fine lines and slowing visible signs of aging. Castor oil is especially effective around the eyes, forehead, and smile lines, places where skin thins and loses elasticity first. Now let's tackle the big claim: collagen boost. While castor oil is trending, the evidence is limited. Most dermatologists say rich moisturizers can temporarily plump the skin, but castor oil isn't proven to support collagen production like retinol can. Castor oil wears many hats. It's antibacterial and antifungal, which may help calm blemish-prone skin. Some even use it on eyelashes and brows for growth, though that's more anecdote than guaranteed science. But remember, it's very thick. If you're prone to breakouts, treat it carefully or dilute it. If using it near the eyes, stay clear of the lash line and eyelids to avoid irritation. If you want to try castor oil, here's a pro tip. Less is more, and consistency is everything. Apply it at night, after cleansing, warming just a few drops between your fingers and massaging gently into damp skin using upward motions. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes to absorb, then rinse off to avoid any greasy buildup. For faster absorption, some mix it 1-to-1 with a lighter oil like almond or grapeseed. Important safety check: always do a patch test first. For most people, castor oil is safe, but it can irritate very sensitive skin. If your skin protests, redness, itchiness, skip it. And despite law, under normal use it won't induce labor. That's only if swallowed. We're just rubbing it on skin. Promise. It's powerful, but not invincible. A quick patch test can save you from a skincare surprise. When paired with facial massage, castor oil helps stimulate circulation, drain puffiness, and firm sagging areas naturally. Pair it with sea buckthorn oil, rich in omega-7, for faster cellular repair, especially for damaged or thinning skin. Copaiba balsam has natural beta-caryophyllene, known to reduce skin inflammation and support collagen formation, making it a perfect booster for castor oil. Apply castor oil every night for 7 days to targeted wrinkle zones. Pair with 1 minute of massage. Many users say their skin felt softer and plumper after just a week. From smoother under eyes to firmer jawlines, castor oil is getting love for real reasons. Castor oil works best on dry to normal or aging skin. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, dab only on dry zones, like your under eyes or smile lines. It's thick and sticky. Using too much can clog pores. Always apply a thin layer and don't layer under heavy creams. A study on ricinoleic acid showed improved elasticity and reduced wrinkle depth in just 2 weeks. It's not as fast as injections, but for those seeking a natural approach, castor oil offers long-term benefits without the risks. Botox costs hundreds. Castor oil? Under $10, you decide which glow is worth your wallet. Choose cold-pressed, organic, hexane-free castor oil for the highest skin benefits. The best time to use castor oil is right before bed. Skin repairs itself overnight, and the oil seals in moisture while you sleep. Don't apply castor oil to your eyelids or on active breakouts. It's powerful, but can trap bacteria if not used carefully. Castor oil won't fill wrinkles instantly like a filler, but it firms skin naturally over time by boosting hydration and elasticity. Firming? Yes. Instant plumping? No. Want to take results even further? Use castor oil with red light therapy to accelerate skin regeneration and collagen support. This content is for informational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before trying any new skin routine. If this video helped you rethink your skincare routine, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel glowing. Beauty isn't about perfection. It's about care, intention, and confidence. Whether you use castor oil or not, just taking time for your skin sends a powerful message. I'm worth the love.